guys, Rakman here. So today I'm gonna show you something. Okay. Look at that, guys. It's literally flooded. 2025. Flooded. Literally flooded. You see that river? South Africa, ne? South Africa. It's deep, ne? It looks like a dam. So if you didn't know, it's raining in a couple weeks here. So the sluice is open at Harties. So this is what's happening now. Please subscribe for this content, guys. If you know, you know. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the gravel road now. This is where the gravel road begins. There's a puddle, a big puddle. And here's the dam, the river. We are not going to school Monday. Guys, if you're watching it, USA, it's rough here. Guys, look, it's raining there. Let me zoom in. It's raining hard. It's coming this way. Raining very hard. We are now at low water bridge. It doesn't look low. It doesn't look low. It looks high. It doesn't look low. You know. The farmers, oh, they're losing money, lots of money. That's water, that's deep water. Subscribe, oh, subscribe. Yes, we are at the tea council now. There's a lot of water. The crocodile river is flowing over. No, it's flowing over rough time. So guys, we are at home now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. So like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Peace out.